everyone, back with another new easy keto recipe. Very low carb and very low fat chicken Parmesan. You'll need 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 8-ounce bag of spinach, pizza sauce, Parmesan cheese, hot sauce, which is optional, pink salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, a fry pan with a cover, a 1 cupper, and actually a tablespoon. Let's start by cooking up our chicken in 1 cup of water, covered on a medium heat. Once it's all cooked up, you're going to go ahead and chop it up into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add over that entire bag of spinach. It was 8 ounces. You're going to keep it on the medium heat, keep it covered, and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's done, go ahead and give it a good stir, and let's season it up with heavily pink salt, light on the pepper, light on the Italian seasoning. Stir that up, and then we're going to add 1 full cup of pizza sauce and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Again, that's optional if you like it spicy. Go ahead and give that a good stir. Keep it on a simmer and let it cook up for about 3 to 5 more minutes to bring all the flavors together. Then let's plate up. This is 2 servings. I added Parmesan to it. And like I said, it was very low in carb, but also very low in fat. The carb count was only 14 net carbs for the entire pan. So that plate right there is only 7 net carbs. And of course, I am in maintenance, so I did eat more today. Don't worry. I actually added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to this, and throughout the day had other fats such as nuts, MCT in my coffee, and just different things, some eggs. But just so you guys know, I'm also trying to teach low fat for in weight loss, so you want to try to eat things lower in fat. And this was definitely lower fat and absolutely delicious. Was definitely a hit around here. My husband loved it. Let's keep it keto, everybody.